Welcome to Starburst. In this video, I will show you how to unblock someone or a contact on Twitter or X. To do that, go to their profile and press blocked button. Press unblock to confirm. That's it. If you were following them before, then you have to follow them again after you unblock them. So make sure to do that. But if you want to see full list of blocked contacts on Twitter or X, you can do that as well. First, let's block this contact again. Now go to your profile. And from your profile, press left arrow button. At the screen, press your profile icon at the top left. It will open up a menu, and below you will be able to see Settings and Support. Press Settings and Support option. Select Settings and Privacy. Select Privacy and Safety. Select Mute and Block. And from here, select Blocked Accounts. So these are the blocked accounts in our Twitter or X. To unblock any account, simply press Blocked button. And then press Unblock to unblock that contact. After that, you'll have to follow that contact if you were already following it before blocking them. And that's it. So this is how you can unblock a contact or see full blocked list in your Twitter or X account. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.